Alright guys, today we have a 2004 Toyota Camry. We're gonna change the air filter, which is in here, right? This is the air filter for the engine. This is where the engine sucks in air from. So you should be changing this filter about every 10,000 miles. What we're gonna do here is, on most of the Toyotas, Camrys, Corollas, some of them have clips and some of them have bolts like this. So we're gonna remove this bolt and this one back here. We're not gonna remove it, we're gonna just loosen it, all right? And in the back, it just have a little ears that twists off. All right, so that's loose. Gonna loosen the one in the back. Get extension if you need to. All right, you're gonna need extension because it's a little deep. But meanwhile, here's the engine filter. All right, we'll put this to the side. I'll show you a part number on this. All right, so the part number on this is 5432. That's the part number. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up. All right, and you could remove this whole thing if you like. This one was loose already. We didn't want to replace the whole thing, but it came out. Here's the filter. All right, it's not so bad, but it has to go. All right, we're gonna fix that up in a little bit, but before that, let's install the new filter. So we're gonna simply take the new filter. You're gonna pay attention to this little, it's like a more square here, it's all around, and that one goes on this end. Just like that. We'll fix that up a little bit. I think the clamp was loose on this one. We didn't loosen that, so as we lifted it, it just came apart. So we'll fix that and we'll come right back. Alright, just make sure your filter is nice and neat. We'll put that in later. Alright, let's get this mounted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these lip ears here into that. So you're gonna lift and push back, and after that you're gonna push the filter housing down, and you're gonna tighten number 10 here and one on the opposite side. There you go. All right, we'll fix that up, but the job is done. That's how you change your air filter on a 2004 Toyota Camry.